Want to launch your own digital product in under 60 minutes without writing, designing, or spending a dime on freelancers? Stay tuned, because what I'm about to show you is a total game changer for beginners. I've been in affiliate marketing for over 6 years, and let me tell you, this is hands down one of the fastest ways to start making money online. PLR Monster gives you done for you digital products, full PLR rights, and even sales funnels, all ready to go. No tech, no guesswork. If you've ever struggled to create a product, this package does all the heavy lifting for you. So, what exactly is PLR Monster? It's a massive collection of high quality, ready to sell digital products with private label rights. That means you can put your name on them, sell them as your own, build your list, or even use them as bonuses. Here's what's inside the front end package: a full blown niche website PLR pack, ready made squeeze pages, thank you pages, and sales pages, professionally designed graphics, editable Word docs, and PSDs, plus 3 bonus PLR bundles that alone are worth more than the price. This is perfect for newbies who want to launch fast, marketers building funnels or affiliate bonuses, even agencies or resellers looking for ready made content. When you log in, everything's laid out cleanly. On the left, you'll find your download section. Just click and you'll instantly get your product folders, including the ebook, sales page files, graphics, and source files. You also get access to the Easy Page Builder, which lets you customize your squeeze or sales page with just a few clicks. No coding at all. If you scroll down, you'll see the 3 bonus PLR packages. These are full products on their own, including AI-powered profits from idea to income, unlocking passive income. All come with full resale rights. Just download, customize, and you're ready to launch. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades you'll see after the front end. OTO1, $48.50. A massive pack of 50 done-for-you PLR products. A full content vault to grow your funnel empire. OTO2, $19.95. Training on how to use AI PLR to generate consistent income. OTO3, $9. 99 monthly PLR membership to keep getting fresh products every single month. OTO4, $19.95. A giant graphics bundle for all your design needs. OTO5, $4.97, the ultimate reseller package, access to a full membership site plus reseller rights. There are a couple more upsells and downsells, like the ebook creator software and a mini PLR pack, all optional but very value packed. Now for my exclusive bonus bundle, and trust me, it's epic. When you grab PLR Monster through the link below, you'll unlock these 10 plus premium bonuses instantly. WP Ultimate Affiliate Plugin. Build powerful affiliate pages in WordPress. Done for you lead magnet bundle. Use them to build your list fast. Tube Traffic Booster Pro. Get more eyes on your offers via YouTube. AI ebook generator tool. Create lead magnets or products in minutes. Bonus Page Builder software. Create high converting pages in 5 minutes. Resell rights to 5 DFY funnels. Just plug and profit. Social media automation toolkit. Post everywhere with one click. Fast Traffic Secrets Masterclass. Learn to drive free targeted traffic. Commercial rights to 1000's graphics. Perfect for PLR rebranding. Video script templates. Sell more with persuasive videos. These are custom picked by me, Kamal from Tested Apps, and you won't find them anywhere else. But here's the deal. These bonuses are limited to the first 25 buyers only, and they'll be gone once that cap is hit or when the timer expires. Here's my final take. If you want a shortcut to launching products, building your brand, or making passive income, PLR Monster is a total no-brainer. You're getting multiple done-for-you PLR packages, stunning graphics, and full resell rights for less than a pizza. But the deal won't last. Bonuses expire in 48 hours or after 25 copies are claimed. Hit that link below right now before this closes. Thanks for watching this PLR Monster review. Don't forget to click the link below, lock in your copy, and grab my exclusive bonuses before they disappear. Like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more product reviews, tools, and affiliate hacks that help you grow your business.